Greetings from Marieviksbadet in central Stockholm or in Liljeholmen. Right now actually the commuter train is passing by from the station of Årstaberg towards Södermalm, that is Södra Stockholm. And this beach over here, or as it was mentioned on Google Maps, Lido, was actually opened this summer. And when there was one TV, one news report on this, there were so many people over here because it was in the middle of the summer. Right now I'm the only person here and I'm going to test this beach. It is 10 degrees Celsius in the air on this Saturday, 25th of October, currently 4 p.m. And we can see also some construction work here in these buildings. They are building new apartments here that they will have view of this beach and the lake of Mälaren. Now what is interesting is that here there is a swimming, it is forbidden to swim here, as it says Räddningsgrind, but förbud i farleden. But on the other side there is two other jetties that you can swim also out in the lake, but I guess then you're very far from the way of the boats, as there are boats passing by between the Liljeholmsbron and Årstabron on the other side. And yes, it is Beach Adventure with Kris, beach day number 145 on my Sweden Beach Adventures. I made a short pause as I was in Cagliari, Sardinia for a few days. So now I'm resuming my beach adventures from this amazing place. And the very first time I was swimming on the Liljeholmskajen, on those bridges, or how to say jetties, before, but it's time now to take the first swim ever here at Marieviksbadet. So the water doesn't look so clean, to be fair, because here it is not flowing any water from the sides, but you can see we have also even light rain. But I'm going to shuffle the water a bit before I go in. And here we can also swim back and forth. It's also very nice to do so. Okay, so let's shuffle the water. Every day I'm shuffling. So that it's a bit clear. I'm going in with the head, but then I can also swim. Okay, I made a mistake. I didn't took the water thermometer with me, so I have no idea how cold it's in the water, but I'm guessing somewhere around 10 degrees Celsius it must be. Okay, so Marieviksbadet, first swim ever for Kris on my channel, Beach Adventures with Kris. We are then ready for a dip. Ooh. It's cold. I'm not gonna lie, it's cold. So I might be swimming only for 5 minutes today. And there are 3 ponds or pools like this here. I'm now in the one that is closest to the nice buildings on the Liljeholmskajen. And here is also, apart from what they're building, newly apartment buildings, also there are some companies like H&M that have their offices here as well. Whew. Oh my god, it's chilly for sure. So yeah, let me just get out to wrap up this episode. But I really enjoy this short dip. Now my body hasn't adapted yet to these temperatures, as I was swimming the day before yesterday in 24 degrees Celsius in Sardinia, Italy. So this was quite the change for me, for sure. But yeah, quite nice. Very central beach to take a swim in the Lake Mälaren, as especially in the summer months, for sure. So that's a wrap from Marieviksbadet. Thank you so much for watching this episode with me, and see you soon again with another beach adventure on my channel, Beach Adventures with Kris.